Introducing the new cordless upright vacuum cleaner from Pifco. Tackle dust, dirt and stubborn pet hair on your carpets and hard floors. With a lithium-ion battery, you'll get up to 20 minutes of cleaning time to ensure a deep and powerful clean with every use. Whilst its innovative cordless design allows you to tackle those hard-to-reach spots without being restricted by annoying cables. Its removable brush with rotating bristles lifts dust, dirt and pet hair, whilst its built-in lightweight aluminium extender handle and included crevice tool allows you unlimited cleaning freedom. With a 3-year guarantee giving you complete peace of mind, rely on your Pifco cordless upright vacuum cleaner for years of hassle-free cleaning. Pifco, it's a way of life.